Good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everyone today? I am doing fantastic. The weekend is here, and you guys already know how I feel about the weekend, and you know how I feel about doing my weekend mukbangs. They're just so much better than during the week. So today, I decided to go to Chick-fil-A for breakfast. So this is what we have. Let's go ahead and get a thumbnail. I don't want to cover up my chicken minis. Hold on. All right, that's good enough. So what we have, hash browns, and I'm trying the honey roasted barbecue for the first time ever. Chick-fil-A sauce, the chicken minis, and then I have this big old chicken, egg, and cheese biscuit. Now this thing looks really good. So let's go ahead and try not to make the biggest mess this morning. We're probably just gonna leave it in this little diaper, okay? Because this thing is kind of falling apart. Like really falling apart. You guys like Chick-fil-A? I've only had it like I think twice in my whole life. The breakfast, not the dinner, but the breakfast. I'm just going to go ahead and. So how's everyone doing? What do you got planned for the weekend? Go ahead and use some of this honey barbecue stuff, see what it tastes like. That sauce is pretty good. I never had, so I've only had these in like their regular chicken sandwich. I have never had like this. This is huge. So what are you guys doing this weekend? Anything fun? So we have a little adulting things to do, like I need an oil change. I need to go birthday shopping for my grandma. Get her a few gifts. It's kind of a little bit of a mess. It's hot though. So yeah, we're just out and about right now. Had sweet tea to drink. About 10 a.m. Just chilling, having a relaxing weekend. I think, has anybody ever seen that new Top Gun movie? I think we're gonna go watch that. I mean, it's not, I know it's been out for a while, but we haven't seen it yet. So I think we're gonna go see an afternoon movie of that. Because I don't do like late movies. I can't stay up. There's a little chicken mini. These are good. I like how the bun is just like super sweet.
You good?
Mm-hmm. So yeah, today we'll get my oil changed, shot for my grandma. And then the movie's I think at 3 or 3:30. And it's like a 2-hour long movie, so then after that it'll be supper time. And then we're thinking of either hitting like a tap type restaurant that serves like beers on tap and it has food, or we're gonna go to a seafood restaurant we've never been to that has a lot of stuff. Is that sandwich again? It's a good little sandwich. Chicken has good flavor. So let me know what you're doing this weekend. What do you guys like doing on the weekends? Do you do more of like, you like to sleep and relax? Maybe watch some movies at home, cook at home? Or do you like to go out on the weekends? Like go to festivals or events that are going on? You like to go try new restaurants, do anything? I like getting out on Saturday because Monday through Friday is work, gym, cleaning, cooking. On Sunday, grocery shopping, cleaning. So Saturday's pretty much our day to go out, have fun. We need to get to the beach. I think Labor Day weekend, I want to go to the beach. Sandwich is big. At least one thing for sure, at least you know their eggs are real.
Yeah.
They're a lot from a carton. As you can tell. But these are good eggs. Ooh, I'm getting full. So yeah, this is just a quick little morning video. Because you know I don't get to try breakfast that much. Only on the weekends.
It's beer bread.
It's not beer bread.
It is.
Okay. He said it's beer bread, these little chicken
That's
things.
what it tastes like.
Where I Sam?
Okay.
No, I don't remember. Oh. Because you know on the weekends, like, it's the only time I get to go out and try some good places. And the weekend's the only time I can do breakfast videos because I gotta be at work at 8. We're debating this year if we want to go, and I kind of want to go to a Disney park this year. So hopefully make it to one of them this year. I like their little hash browns. And this sauce is pretty good. I never had it before. Honey roasted barbecue. I just wanted to check in, get you guys a little different content than dinners or lunches. Now I'm getting full. This is a hefty little sandwich. Let me know some of your favorite breakfast spots. Like down here, we got Kiki's, which is really good. I got First Watch not far. Oh, my Atlanta. So let me know where you guys usually go to eat some good breakfast. Last little chicken mini. Oh no, my chicken fell out. I don't feel like these are as sweet as they usually are. Look at that one. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. It was a nice little breakfast. Let me know what you're doing, how you're doing. Some breakfast spots. Probably hit up some more like mom and pop spots too. I like eating local a lot. Alright. Until the next video, I hope y'all stay positive, stay encouraged, and stay motivated. I'll see you in the next video.